Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to create quadratic equation given the irrational roots. I call this method number 2. Well, basically here we will just use the formula. So let's go to the examples. What is the quadratic equation if the roots are positive, negative, square root of 11? So here, as we know, we have two roots. One is positive square root of 11 and the other one is square root of negative 11. So let's add first those two roots. So that's positive square root of 11 plus negative square root of 11. And obviously the answer to that is equal to 0. And then next will be the product. That is square root of 11 times square root of negative 11. That is equal to negative 11. So square root of 11 times square root of 11 is 11. And there's a negative sign outside. So we'll just put that. All right, or negative times positive equals negative. So this is 0, this is negative 11, which means that the answer here is x squared minus 11 equals 0. Let's go to the next one. Here we have a positive square root of 2 and then a negative square root of 2. So as we all know, if we have that, okay, let's add the 2. Obviously that will be equal to 0, right? So this is equal to 0. Let's do the product. So that's 3 square root of 2 times negative 3 square root of 2. And this is equal to negative 9 square root of 2 times square root of 2 is equal to positive 2. And that gives us 18, negative 18. So this is negative 18. Therefore, the answer is x squared minus 18 equals 0. All right, let's go to the third example. So let's do the addition first. Negative 4 plus 2 square root of 10 plus negative 4 minus 2 square root of 10. So we can cross that out because that will be equal to 0 and this is equal to negative 8. So that's negative 8. Now remember there's a negative sign here. Let's do the product. Negative 4 plus 2 square root of 10 and then negative 4 minus 2 square root of 10. Here, normally we use the FOIL method, but actually we don't need to utilize those four parts. I mean, the first, the outer, the inner, and then the last. Here, we just need to multiply the first terms and the last terms. So that's negative 4 times negative 4, which is equal to positive 16. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4 times 10. Square root of 10 times square root of 10 is equal to 10. And this will be equal to 16 minus 40, which is equal to negative 24. So this is negative 24, which means that the equation is x squared minus negative 8x minus 24 equals 0. Therefore, it will be x squared plus 8x minus 24 equals 0. Let's go to the last example. Let's have 3 over 2 plus square root of 5 over 2. Okay. Plus 3 over 2 minus square root of 5 over 2. So this is this, or this and that rather. Okay. So since the operation is addition, we can just cross that out. And this will give us 6 over positive 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. Just copy the denominator and this will be equal to 3, which means this is 3. Now for the product, let's have 3 over 2 plus square root of 5 over 2. Multiply that by 3 over 2 times minus square root of 5 over 2. Okay, so here we can just use, we can multiply the first terms and the last terms. And this gives us 9 over 4. 3 times 3 is 9, 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Equals 9 minus 5 equals 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. So this is just 1. All right. So now our answer is x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. There you go. So that's how we use the formula in creating quadratic equation from the irrational roots.